Turn the power supply on. Press the button that reads positive 25 volts. Press the output on/off button to turn the output on. You will see the display shift to a reading of 0 volts and 0 amps. Turn the knob to increase the voltage to output positive 9 volts. The display will still show 0 amps. Turn the output off. Connect the positive output cable to the power rail jumper. Connect the ground cable to the ground rail jumper. Turn the output on. The LED should start blinking and the current reading should increase slightly. If your current reading is much higher than 0.05 amps, turn off the output and start the troubleshooting process again. Too high of current in your circuit can damage the components. Ask shop staff for help if needed.